Let's turn off the lights. Okay. Take the seat. On the floor. So laundry and White House or toilet paper. That's our mirror. There's our sheepy shower curtain. That's our toilet. There's some ant killers because ants was like popping out of nowhere. There's our shower. I don't really want to peek in. That's our shower. Yes, sir.
Alright, should I go?
Towels. My boyfriend is playing some games. Lights.
I'm doing it for taking one for the team. Okay?
And this is our second room. Let's turn on the light. I think this light turn right. I'm scared. Okay, that's the light switch. Oh, and there's the mirror
Oh.
for TikTok dance. Not gonna share it. It's supposed to be a mystery. My face not there. And just my pretty dresses. My pretty yellow dress. My boyfriend got me on the trip. But yeah, these are all like the dresses and tops I got. But I would love to wear this. Wait, I would love to wear this at work, but it's a crop top. And I would love to wear this at work, but it's a crop top. I like to wear these dresses, but they're tight. They're bodycon tight. Oh, and there's my sweater. I should not show what's in that bag.
I think literally.
These are the things that I bought. I don't know why it's here. Oh yeah, some extras. We are still
And one of them was in here.
in a process.
It's like
Or maybe we're just lazy. I think we're just lazy. But here's our things.
no, that's gotta be worse.
So that's like all my crafting things. Shoes, jacket. You guys do not know what's that. Do not. You guys do not know what that is. But anyways,
I think this is the vulture.
they got some luggage here. Oh damn, we got the Simpsons poster. And it's still a bit dirty, but it's gonna be another video there we're gonna I'm gonna show before and after the cleaning. That's my mom's sewing machine, but I'm gonna give it to her tomorrow and show me how to do it because I'm supposed to work on these projects, but they're hard. I don't know how to do it because I'm a Gen Z. But this is where I do all my craftings and my relaxation here. How do I turn off? Oh yeah, this light switch does not work. Wheel.
Do you want to do that now? Since it's.
Snacks is the master. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my
Alright.
god. Wait, quack. Turn the lights. Oh, I start right into it. Let's coffee. Oh my
Alright.
god. Goodness gracious. You guys, look at the candle. That's bad. Holy crap. You know what? We're just gonna like.
Well.
Yeah, there you go. There we go. Oh my gosh. That's on the wax.
Alright.
Melty liquid wax. These are all my missing socks. I keep forgetting to bring them to my parents' place and try to find them. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's my blankies. These are all the blankies that we have. More clothes here. All my sheepies collections. Charger. Slipper. Socks.
Okay.
And like, why the
Can we
fuck?
go to the Underdark to go see the guy?
But anyways, there's the TV that was supposed to be
Underdark, my
in the living room. This is Coffee's side of the bed. And that's my side of the bed. And this is our closet. Let's turn the light. Got some candles. That's all my clothes. It's not a lot of clothes. That box is full of hoodies and sweatshirts. And there's Coffee. How you doing?
You kind of surprised me with this.
And he's playing, what you playing?
Baldur's Gate.
He's playing
Tyler?
Baldur's Gate. But I don't know, I can't talk. Ah! There's my sheepy onesie costume.
She's giving a house tour.
I'm probably gonna wear it during like fall and winter. Probably
Are you coming
Halloween.
with Mama up to Illinois?
And
Yay!
this is my little practice
What kind of things do you want to get up to?
roller skating. There's my bag. I don't know why there's a sweater here.
Like obviously,
Everything needs to be
we can
all
do a
like
whole lot of eating.
organized. Like, bruh, well, I guess there's always something to learn. There's always something to learn and fix.
Here, I made a potion from those mushrooms.
We got our curtains. But there's the playground. Let's DIY.
Oh no. Gross.
Whoa. Well, that's the end of the house tour video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out more of our futures videos. Bye.